Greetings, savvy hustlers. Welcome back to Moneymaker Energy, your ultimate guide to unlocking online success. Today, we're venturing deep into the art of affiliate marketing. Buckle up because we're about to unravel a blueprint that will skyrocket your income. But before we dive into these goldmine strategies, do me a favor. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's embark on this journey together. Now, who doesn't love making money while you sleep? Imagine turning your passion into a profitable venture. Well, today's video is your golden ticket to achieving just that. Affiliate marketing mastery. Stick around, and I promise you, by the end of this, you'll be armed with strategies to transform your online hustle into a cash-generating powerhouse. 1. Craft targeted content. Our first power move. Crafting content that doesn't just attract attention, but converts like crazy. Forget random articles. We're talking laser-focused content that speaks directly to your audience's investigative intent. Intrigued? Stay tuned as we unveil the secrets behind keyword mastery in our guide. 2. Art of strategic affiliate link placement. You've got killer content. Now it's time to strategically place those affiliate links. No more scattered links. It's about surgical precision. If it's a review post, channel your traffic to that one product's affiliate link. For a top 10 list, strategically sprinkle links. And always remember, relevance is the magic word. It's time to wield your promotional power effectively. 3. Revolutionize with affiliate link management. Ever imagine managing a maze of expired affiliate links? Nightmare, right? Enter the hero, the affiliate link management plugin, Pretty Links. It's not just an organizer, it's your time-saving, chaos-busting ally. Don't let your links be a tangled mess. Invest in Pretty Links before it's too late. 4. Conversion mastery with OptinMonster. Time for the grand conversion, turning visitors into loyal customers. Forget the myth of needing tons of traffic for serious profits. OptinMonster is your secret weapon. Imagine pop-ups that grab attention, exit intent offers that appear at the perfect moment, and page-level targeting that guarantees relevance. This is the game changer your affiliate marketing game deserves. 5. Optimize traffic and supercharge with email marketing. Optimizing existing traffic is your ace in the hole. Follow the 80-20 rule. Identify your star content and watch your affiliate revenue soar. Tools like Monster Insights make it a breeze. And the grand finale, email marketing. Your email list is pure gold. Grow it with OptinMonster, then watch the magic happen as targeted campaigns with embedded affiliate links flood the inboxes. More eyes on your offers, more cash in your pocket. There you have it, hustlers. Your 5-step ticket to affiliate marketing mastery. If these strategies light a fire in you, drop a comment below, share your victories, or fire away with your questions. Hit that subscribe button. And until next time, this is Moneymaker Energy signing off. Keep hustling, keep earning, and I'll catch you in the next video.